I'm going to show you exactly how I built this complete app with paid features, Stripe integration, and everything else you need to launch a profitable app business, all without any coding knowledge whatsoever. The craziest part, what used to take teams of developers months and cost thousands of dollars can now be done by one person in a weekend. This is the future of app development, and most people have no idea it's even possible. In this video, I'll walk you through my entire process from start to finish, show you the exact AI tool I used, and reveal how you can apply this same method to build your own profitable apps. This is seriously the most powerful method I've discovered in years. Let's get this app started the right way. The goal is simple: an AI-powered tool that can recognize any banknote from anywhere in the world and will tell you everything about it. Not just the value, but its origin, year of issue, security features, design evolution, and even exchange rates. Think of it as a pocket-sized currency expert. We'll start by telling the AI to build a modern, professional banknote identifier app. It should have a clean, responsive landing page, support advanced image recognition for scanning, and display detailed information about each banknote. That includes its country, denomination, exchange rates, both current and historical, security features, and historical background. It should also maintain a rich catalog of global currencies. Paste that into Replit and click Start Building. Replit offers a few extra feature suggestions. Feel free to explore those later. For now, just hit Approve Plan and start. Before continuing, Replit asks for an OpenAI API key. Follow the link, head to the dashboard, create a new secret key, renew it, assign it to the project, and copy it into Replit. Click Continue and the build process begins. Right away, the app sets up a solid foundation: a home page, a scan page, a detailed banknote view, and a currency catalog that pulls global data. It's functional, but we want better accuracy. To improve the recognition, we prompt Replit Agent to use the Gemini API for advanced image scanning. To do that, log onto the Gemini dashboard with your Google account, generate an API key, and paste it into Replit. Once added, the app is ready for its first test. Let's upload a sample banknote, and nothing happens. No data, no recognition, so let's give Replit more direction, explaining that after a scan, the app should display full details about the banknote and link it to the global currency catalog. Try again. Still no result. This time, we copy the error message and ask the AI to fix it directly. Re-upload the note and it finally works. The app recognizes the currency, shows its details, and matches our expectations. We test a second image, a €100 bill, and the recognition is just as smooth. To go a step further, let's try the live camera scan by clicking Take Photo. The button responds, but no image is captured. The camera feature isn't fully supported yet, but that's something we can expand later. For now, uploading works, recognition is accurate, and the core functionality is in place. Now that image upload is working, let's take things further. A proper banknote recognition app shouldn't just rely on uploading images. It should let users scan notes in real time using their device's camera. So we head back to Replit Agent and tell it exactly that. The app must support both real-time camera scanning and image upload. We go back to the interface and try the Take Photo button again. Still no response. The button clicks, but the camera doesn't activate. Time to follow up with a more direct instruction. Users should be able to scan directly using their device's camera. This makes it clear that the goal is live scanning, not just static uploads. After updating the prompt, we try the camera again. Still nothing. So let's be more specific. This time, we type, the app should let users identify banknotes using their device camera in real time. It should open the camera and show a live view with a frame or guide in the center to help users position the banknote correctly. When the banknote is clearly visible, the app should automatically detect and identify it. Let's test the feature one more time. And once again, no change. So instead of repeating ourselves, we change tactics. This time, we keep it simple, and just say, the take photo button is not working, please fix it. The idea is to point the AI directly to what's broken without over-explaining. Let's try using the camera now. The button responds, but a new error appears. It means we're getting closer, but something in the initialization is still breaking. We describe the new error in Replit Agent and ask it to sort it out. A few seconds later, Replit responds. Please try using the camera functionality again. The camera should now initialize properly, and you should be able to take photos and use the real-time detection mode. This time, when we hit take photo, it actually works. The camera activates, a live view appears, and everything responds the way it should. Finally, both scanning modes are functional. We can now upload an image or scan a banknote in real time. And either way, the app identifies it and pulls in the full set of details. It's time to take this app from just identifying banknotes to actually working with them in a meaningful way. Recognition is great, but financial tools give it purpose. So let's add a feature set that turns this into something users will come back to again and again. Inside Replit Agent, we type the prompt exactly as follows. The app should provide financial utility tools such as real-time currency conversion, live market exchange rates, historical exchange rate tracking, and total value calculation in USD. After running that prompt, a new section labeled Financial Tools shows up in the interface. Clicking on it opens up a full utility panel. The first tool is a currency converter. It lets users select two currencies, input any amount, and see the converted value using up-to-the-minute exchange rates. For example, entering $10 and selecting euro instantly displays the equivalent value based on current market data. No delays, no manual refresh needed. Next, we check out the exchange rate history feature. This part of the tool visualizes past performance between any two currencies. It loads a clean, scrollable graph that shows how exchange rates have changed over time. Whether someone wants to review a year of trends or just wants to compare the last few days, it's all clearly displayed. Finally, there's the portfolio calculator. This one lets users enter multiple amounts across different currencies, then calculate the total value in USD. It automatically pulls live rates and handles the math in real time. Whether the user is managing travel cash, checking the value of a collection, or just curious, it delivers a quick, clear snapshot. These tools change the feel of the app completely. It goes from being informative to being functional. You're no longer just learning about banknotes, you're actively working with their value and history in a way that feels smart and efficient. So far, the app can recognize banknotes, analyze their value, and offer real-time financial tools. But for collectors, enthusiasts, or even curious travelers, sometimes the story behind the currency is just as fascinating as the numbers. To make the app more informative and engaging, let's add an educational layer. Inside Replit Agent, we type. The app should also include educational resources, featuring numismatic data, currency history articles, collector's guides, and interesting facts about global currencies. After running the prompt, the app adds a new navigation item labeled Learn in the header menu. Inside this section, you can see it now includes numismatic data, currency history articles, a collector's guide, and a list of interesting facts about currencies from around the world. There's also a built-in search functionality that lets users look for specific content by typing in keywords. Whether someone is searching for a specific currency or just exploring, everything is easy to find and access. With this feature in place, the app becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a resource, something people can explore, reference, and come back to anytime they want to understand the bigger picture behind the money in their hands. Functionality is important, but design is what makes people stay. It's time to give this app a proper look. Something clean, modern, and easy to navigate. A visual layout that not only feels polished, but also guides users from the moment they land on the page. Back in Replit Agent, let's type, the landing page should have a modern, minimalistic design with soft colors, smooth scrolling, and subtle animated transitions. It should include a hero section with a catchy headline like "Identify any banknote instantly with AI" and a clear call to action button such as "Start scanning now." Visual elements like icons or images should represent each feature, and the entire layout must be fully responsive across both mobile and desktop devices. Now, the app looks much better in the desktop view. The images have been updated to higher quality, smooth animations have been added for a more modern feel, and there's a clear Start Scanning Now button to guide the user. Let's switch over to the mobile view. As you can see, the design is fully responsive. The layout adapts perfectly to smaller screens, buttons remain easy to tap, and all content stays readable and well organized. It's time to turn this into a truly personal experience. Scanning and exploring currencies is great, but giving users their own space inside the app takes everything to the next level. Let's add user authentication so people can sign in, save their scans, and build their own collection over time. Inside Replit Agent, let's type. The app should include a user account system where users can sign up and log in. Each user should have access to a personal currency collection log to save scanned banknotes. The app now includes a login section where users can register for a new account, log in, log out, and add banknotes to a personal collection. Let's try signing up by entering a username, display name, and password. Once submitted, the account is created and we're logged in. From there, we can view our personal collection or log out at any time. To test the login again, enter the same username and password. The system responds with login successful. Now back in Replit, we'll add another prompt. The app should also provide geolocation-based currency information and a travel currency guide tailored to the user's current or selected country. Users should be able to share their collection or findings with others and view a history of their scans and activity within their account dashboard. After the update, the dashboard includes a region-specific travel currency guide based on the user's location or selected country. It also offers sharing functionality, making it easy to show collections or findings to others. A full scan and activity history is now available within the user's account as well. This feature set turns the app into something way more personal. It's no longer just about scanning, it's about building, tracking, and sharing a growing collection that reflects the user's interests and journey. At some point, every great app needs to offer just a bit more, something exclusive for users who want the full experience. Maybe it's unlimited scans, deeper historical data, or access to rare currency guides. That's where a subscription system comes in. To make that happen, we're going to connect Stripe for secure, hassle-free payments. Inside Replit Agent, we tell the AI to integrate a payment system using Stripe. It should include a subscription model where users can upgrade to a premium plan for $5 per month. The premium tier needs to unlock features like unlimited scans, access to detailed historical data, and exclusive educational content. Once that's set in motion, Replit prompts us to enter two keys from Stripe, the publishable key and the secret key. We grab both from the Stripe dashboard under the Developers tab, then paste them into the designated fields inside Replit. After submitting, Replit asks once again for the publishable key, this time under the variable name for public access. It's the same value, so we paste it again and continue. In the app, a new premium subscription page now appears in the top right profile menu. Clicking the upgrade button triggers the payment flow, but it doesn't go through. We hit a checkout error. To fix it, we jump over to the Stripe product catalog and create a product for the premium plan. This includes setting the name, description, and monthly price. After saving, we copy the price ID and return to Replit to update it accordingly. Still, another error pops up. We take that error message and pass it back to the AI, asking it to troubleshoot the issue. With the product ID fixed, it's time to complete the integration by setting up a webhook. In Stripe, we head to the webhook section, create a new destination, and select the event that tracks completed checkouts. Then we add the endpoint URL, finalize the setup, and copy the signing secret. Back in Replit, we let the AI know that we're updating the webhook key and paste the secret in. Testing the upgrade flow again, we try clicking the upgrade button, but the same error appears. We tell Replit Agent exactly what's happening, explain the upgrade is failing, and ask for a fix. If needed, we follow up and ask it to review the entire upgrade and checkout process. After that final update, the flow finally works. Clicking Upgrade takes us straight to the Stripe checkout page. After completing the payment, the app confirms the subscription as successful and displays a premium badge on the user's dashboard. At this point, the payment system is fully working. Users can upgrade smoothly and instantly unlock access to premium features. You just watched an entire app come to life without wrestling with setup files, complex tools, or outdated barriers. Just real results through smart prompts and a clear vision. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about building faster, smarter, and with way less friction. Whether you're launching a product, testing an idea, or just having fun, tools like these put serious power in your hands. So don't stop here. Remix it, break it, improve it, build something wild. Because if this is what one app looks like with AI and no code, imagine what your next one could be. Hey, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.